So let's start with a good posture, feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down, crown up towards the sky, chin parallel to the ground. One hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming that in-breath to the lower hand. Bring the arms down, turn the palms out, bring the arms up, hands together, then bring the hands to the chest. So inhale, bring the arms up, exhale down. Inhale, follow the arms up, exhale and down. Inhale, looking up, exhale down. Last one. Inhale and exhale. Bring the arms in front of the body, bring them up and around. And swap them over, and then up and around. And just in your own time. So we'll work on those lower joints. So stand on the right leg, belly button squeezed in, find that focus point. And just circle into that left hip, and then the other way, into the knee joints, so keep the foot relaxed, and the other way, and holding onto the knee, and we circle with the ankle, and the other way. To the other side, so lifting that right leg and just circling into the hip joints, and the other way, and working on the knee joints, and the other way, and then that right ankle. And the other way. So bring the legs down, feet together. I'm going to work on the chair pose. So we'll inhale and then exhale, sitting back. Now if the back and shoulders feel okay, we'll bring the arms up, hands together, looking up to the hands. So make sure there's no pain in the knees. Make sure you're sitting back. One coming on up. We're going to add a balance to this. So chair pose first. So inhale, exhale, sitting back. Keep the weight in the back of the heels. And then we're going to come on to the left leg and lift the right leg for star pose. So straighten the arms, straighten the leg. And bring that leg down. So again, chair pose first, we'll inhale, exhale, sitting back, and weight on the right leg, and lift the leg left. And coming back down, so we'll do one more each side. We'll inhale first, exhale, sitting back, lean into the left, lifting that right leg. Keep lifting, keep the legs strong. And come back to standing. Now inhale, exhale, chair pose. And lean to the right, lift that left leg just a little bit higher. And bring the leg down. Okay, so a standing pose, we'll do triangle pose. Turn that left foot 90 degrees, back foot angled, so both legs staying straight. Look from that line from the front heel to the back arch. And we'll reach sideways. Bring the left arm down and the right one straight up. Coming back to the middle. Inhale, exhale, reach, and then left arm down, right arm up. to center, last one on this side. So inhale, reach as far as we can. So try and lengthen through the arms, palms facing forwards. And if you can, lock it up to the hand. And come back to the middle, bring the arms down. We'll swap the feet around. So arms shoulder level. And we'll inhale, exhale easy for the first one. Keep that body facing forwards. Coming back to the middle. Inhale, exhale to the side. Straighten the arms up. Coming back to the center, the last one. Inhale, exhale, reach. Bring the hands down. Other one straight up. Looking up to the hand if we can. And coming back to the center, bring the arms down. And we'll finish with the good posture and the breathing. Take the shoulders back and down. Placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. Trying to feel the heartbeats with that upper hand. And we'll bring the arms down, and we're all done.